Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to allow pop-ups for specific websites in Safari. This is useful for sites like banking, downloads, or forms that require pop-ups. So let's get started. Step 1, open up Safari on your Mac, which I have right here. Step 2, in the menu bar, click Safari, then select Settings. Step 3, at the top, click Websites. Step 4, at the left sidebar, click Pop-up Windows. Step 5, find the websites in the list and change its settings to Allow. For the sake of this video, we're going to click Allow for this link and for this link. And you're all set. You have successfully allowed pop-ups for specific websites in Safari. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.